I'd like to welcome you to the 2021 Century Cove International Boat Show, running from May 20th to May 23rd. The Armourine Jones team will be down on the Riviera display from 9 AM until 5 PM each day of the show.
In 2021, Riviera will be showcasing its largest display with models ranging from the 395 SUV right through to the 72 Sports Motor Yacht.
This year you'll see some exciting new exterior colours, some magnificent fresh interiors, and you can see all this along with the world premiere of the Riviera 645 SUV.
If you're coming to this year's Century Cove International Boat Show, don't forget to buy your tickets and organise your parking online. If you're looking for a new motor yacht, we welcome you to the Riviera display. A quick registration, or for those that are a Riviera owner, don't forget to bring your cards. We'll see you there.